Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Gardening Paradise. Gardens are a good and enjoyable pastime. Enjoying is the funnest act of nature is something which would seem artificial to the common people, but quite peaceful to the city people as they are busy in the other way because some are uh, artificial plants and to common people, but gardening helps them to restart fresh their morning or evening, and the garden is surrounded by a fence to protect them from stray animals like dogs, cats, or cows. Usually, these fences are made of wood or bamboo. The garden is designed into spillets. The spillets are the various part of the section split into flower beds, while every bed is surrounded by an earthen uplift. For these flowers, crops, fruits, trees, vegetables, and medicinal herbs, some parts are intended to be cared for in different seasons. People are also plant seasonal and vegetables, pumpkin, gourd, lettuce, bitter gourd, and garlic, tomato, potato, brinjal, bean, pea, cabbage, turnip, cauliflower, and other vegetables. While among fruits, trees, apples, chicos, orange, palms, etc. In addition to these people also grown skybirds and creepers to decorate their garden. Among these includes a money plant, various and shops. All of these come under the kingdom of plants. People rots the grasses, repair the beds, sow the seeds, plants the trees, and waters the crops on a routine basis. People root grasses,